Another group of healthcare workers is now eligible to receive the COVID-19 vaccine in Hamilton County. Those in Group 1A2 can get their vaccine at the Tennessee River Park. Now, you must live or work in Hamilton County. The health department is no longer requiring a vaccine allocation card, something that kept one local home health care worker from getting the vaccine with other frontline workers. Channel 3's Michelle Herron joins us live now to explain.
Hi, Cindy. So Paula Coffey, I spoke with her today. She hopes by sharing her experience, it will help others in her line of work receive the vaccine. And late this afternoon, we learned of a change in protocol that will help make that process a lot easier.
As a home health care worker, staying healthy is very important for Paula Coffey.
I'm high risk myself. All of my patients have chronic medical conditions. We're going into, anything from $1 million mansion to the projects.
When the Hamilton County Health Department started administering COVID-19 vaccines, Coffey couldn't wait to get hers.
And especially since one of my coworkers got COVID and is in ICU right now. It's really terrifying for me.
But she ran into trouble when she went to the vaccine site with her work ID, but didn't have an allocation card from her employer.
She didn't really explain how I was supposed to get the card, so I called the health department, and they said that cards are sent to the employers. I said, well, my employer is in the northern section of the United States, and we only have like 4 or 5 of us that work in the state of Tennessee. They're not going to get an allocation card.
Coffey says she knows others, including her daughter, who ran into the same issue.
Actually was able to receive the shot last week. Hooray, hooray.
Coffey received an allocation card through her part-time employer and was later able to get her vaccine. But she hopes by sharing her story, it will highlight the issue and help public health officials find a solution.
I feel like, these barriers really need to be re-examined.
And late this afternoon, we did learn of a solution. The Hamilton County Health Department will no longer require an allocation card in order to get a COVID-19 vaccine. You will need to bring your work ID and proof of employment. And if you're trying to get the vaccine outside of Hamilton County, you will need to bring your work ID and proof of your medical license. We also have all this information online, but for now, reporting live from home, Michelle Herron, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.